Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I wanted to share how I organize my beads. I have quite a few of these boxes. This is what I started to use when I first started making candy to sort my beads. And then as time went, I needed a bigger container for beads because I make bigger projects. So a lot of people ask, where do I get these bucket of pony beads? Well, they don't come this way. What happens is I buy perler beads. The small ones or the big ones come in these containers, and then when these beads run out, I fill them up with my pony beads. I hope that answers some questions, and I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you next time.